Ever wanted to build a fully capable AI assistant that handles real-world business data, runs 100% locally, and costs absolutely nothing? In this video, we are building exactly that, a production-ready, Agentic AI helpdesk for a supermarket. Build a 100% free, local Agentic AI application for a supermarket helpdesk. In this step-by-step tutorial, we build an intelligent supermarket assistant from scratch using Python and open-source tools. Instead of hard-coding prompts or paying for expensive API keys, this system runs entirely on your local machine using an open-source LLM. What we are building multi-agent framework, powered by CrewAI to handle specialized tasks. Local LLM, running local open-source model Gemma 4, natively on a Mac via Ollama. Database integration, a live PostgreSQL database running inside Docker with a 100-product sample inventory. Front-end UI, integrating with Claude Desktop using the Model Context Protocol MCP for an amazing user experience. Install instructions. Step-by-step install instructions are given in the description. Download Ollama for your machine from ollama.com. Open your terminal and pull your preferred model like Gemma 4 or other models. Create a project folder and a virtual environment. Install Python libraries required for this project. Install Postgres database and admin tool. Create a database and a products table. Create sample product items in the table. Copy the Python script supermarket.py from the link in the description. Change the database name, user, password, host and port number. Change the LLM model name. Install Claude Desktop and change the Claude Desktop configuration as mentioned in the install document. Restart Claude Desktop and test with your prompts. Give the prompt. Can you check what kind of cheese you have in stock, along with their sizes and prices? The AI agent has correctly responded with 2 cheese products. Do you carry bananas? How much are they? We got the correct answer. I'm looking for almond milk or oat milk. What are my options and how much do they cost? Even though the store has 6 milk products, the AI agent has correctly responded with the 2 products asked. What kinds of frozen food items do you have available right now? The gent is supposed to list all the frozen items sold in the store. It is struggling to get the answer and asking for additional information. Still, it did not list all the frozen items in the store. We have to tune this agent. The issue in the AI agent to find all the frozen items is fixed. Let us try the same prompt again. Yes, now the AI agent has found all the 6 frozen items in the store. Let us quickly review the fix. The open-source LLM from Google, Gemma 4, installed in the local Mac, was used to fix this issue. This is almost always caused by one of 2 things. 1. The tool's SQL query is too narrow. 2. The LLM's response context window constraint. To fix this, we need to instruct the agent backstory, the task description, and the tool guidance to guarantee it pulls everything and does not summarize. During the code review, we can check the details. Hey, do you happen to have any fresh dragon fruit or organic watermelons in stock? This prompt tests how the system handles items, not in the database. It validates that the SQL tool correctly returns no products found matching, and ensures the agent politely informs you that the store doesn't carry them, instead of hallucinating a fake price. The architecture follows a completely local, 100% free, and open-source multi-agent AI framework designed for real-time inventory queries. User interface. Claude Desktop. The user interacts seamlessly using natural language prompts within the Claude Desktop application on their Mac. Communication layer. Model Context Protocol / Fast MCP. Claude Desktop connects to the backend Python engine via the Model Context Protocol MCP, using the Fast MCP standard. This safely exposes the Python application as a tool that the AI interface can trigger automatically. Agentic orchestration. CrewAI and Gemma 2. The request is handed over to a specialized inventory assistant agent built via CrewAI. This agent runs locally using the open-source Gemma 4 LLM, pulled through Ollama. Data layer, PostgreSQL, and Docker. Instead of hallucinating, the agent executes an asynchronous task using a custom supermarket inventory tool. This tool runs case-insensitive SQL queries, directly against a PostgreSQL database containerized locally inside Docker, returning exact matching product names, sizes, and prices cleanly back to the chat screen. Database Manager class. This class manages the connection lifecycle to your local PostgreSQL database running inside a Docker container. It uses the SysOp2 driver to safely connect, execute raw SQL queries passed down by your agents using case-insensitive pattern matching via fetch data safely, and automatically format the row values into a dictionary list while cleanly opening and closing connections to prevent database leaks. You can copy the script from the link in the description. Make sure to change with your DB name, user and password. Change the host and port if they are different. Custom agent tools. This defines the interface or capability that allows an AI agent to read data from your database. It defines a pedantic structure, product query input, ensuring input arguments are safe. The tool contains specific instructions prompting the agent to pass a broad search parameter, like frozen. It executes the database query and loops through the matching records to construct a text summary containing product IDs, names, sizes, and prices. Helpdesk Agent Factory. This abstracts the initialization logic used to create your specialized CrewAI agents. It establishes a unified connection to your local open-source LLM Gemma via an Ollama endpoint, http://localhost 11434. Inside create_inventory_agent, it constructs a CrewAI agent object assigned with a specific operational goal and custom backstory explicitly written to prevent the AI from summarizing or truncating the product results returned by the lookup tool. Change the LLM if you're not using Gemma. Supermarket Helpdesk app. This manages the orchestration and sequencing of tasks handled by your multi-agent workforce. It takes incoming queries and embeds them into a structured task configuration, instructing the agent exactly what it needs to output. It bundles the agent and task into a sequential crew engine and runs them using an asynchronous call, kickoff_async, allowing the background automation threads to resolve completely without freezing or crashing Python's execution thread. The description was changed to fix the frozen items query. Fast MCP. This acts as the bridges that connects your Python application to an external graphical chat interface like Claude Desktop. It boots up a standard fast MCP protocol host instance. By wrapping the core execution app inside and at MCP_server.tool decorator, it exposes your local Python helper tool directly over standard I/O pipes style, so Claude Desktop can securely invoke your agent on demand whenever you chat with it. Now we have a fully functioning, 100% local, privacy-respecting multi-agent setup connected to a GUI interface via the Model Context Protocol. Since the application architecture is fully object-oriented and structured via the Helpdesk Agent Factory, here are a few ideas for expanding this system. 1. Return/policy agent. We can add a return/policy agent. Create a new tool that reads a local policy.txt markdown file, add a create_policy_agent method to the factory, and include it in the crew to handle customer complaints or store our inquiries. 2. Add data mutation tools. We can expand the database manager to support insert or update queries, so an agent can handle things like updating a price or marking an item out of stock. We will do them in the next video.
If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more automation tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Bye.